The French press coffee makers come in all different types and price ranges. You can find them anywhere from this one $64.95 all the way down to $7, which is what I paid for mine at Ikea. This is the Amazon site here, and I believe the cheapest one I've seen was like 15, but Ikea has them for $7.99. Here's one for $9.99. So all different price ranges to fit any budget. So this is the one that I got. There's no name on it. It's just French press, but it looks like any of the others. It was $7.99 at Ikea, so it works for me. I picked up this caramel macchiato coffee from Target, and I have tried it. It is really, really good. So I'm happy to be able to make a different type of coffee like the ground coffees in this, because I have the Nespresso machine, which only takes their pod. So this gives me the opportunity to have a variety of the coffees that come out, especially this time of year when Starbucks comes out with their new flavors for the holiday season. I'm able to try them without a huge investment in another coffee maker. So one disadvantage to the $7.99 French press is there are no measurements on the carafe. So you have to measure out your coffee and water separately, and using your measuring cups or whatever. So the more expensive ones do sometimes have the measurements on the side, which would indeed make them easier. So I just read the instructions on my coffee. It says 2 tablespoons to every 6 ounces of water. So this is going to be a kind of a strong cup of coffee. And then you put your hot water in that I have measured. It's going to be kind of small. And you just let it sit for like a minute or so to let the beans kind of get into the flavoring here. And that's all I'm making because I've actually had my 1 cup of coffee for the day. So this will just be a little treat with the caramel macchiato for midday. Once the beans have had a chance to kind of marinate, then you just press this in there to strain the beans out, and you are good to go. All right, so then you just press this down in there to separate the beans and kind of strain it. And then I'm just pouring it into my cup. It's about a half a mug, which is fine. I don't drink coffee all day, every day. I'm using the Ember mug. Ember is a mug that is like a smart mug that you plug up, and it keeps your coffee at the temperature. It was a gift for Mother's Day, and I never thought I needed it until I got it, but I absolutely love it because sometimes you get sidetracked when you're having your coffee and let it sit too long, and then it's cold and you're having to heat it back up or go to waste, whatever. It's perfect. Now I didn't put any sugar or anything in it because I've already had my coffee for the day with my sugar in it. So this is just going to be to enjoy the flavor of the caramel macchiato. So that's how easy it is to use a French press. Under normal circumstances, you will probably have this filled up because most people drink a full mug or 2 of coffee, but I just wanted to do a little sample of it. But the process to make it is exactly the same. Whatever coffee you're using, you would use the measurements that are on your bag, and that will help you to get a perfect cup of coffee. Thanks so much for watching, and now I'm going to enjoy my midday coffee.